Wednesday morning here in Denmark. We got in yesterday, long day yesterday, basically didn't sleep since Monday. And then got in yesterday, Tuesday, so Wednesday now, and we're just trying to get everything going and working towards getting to the track. We're going to the track, check on the bikes, get them ready to go for the day, and looking forward to it. Looking forward to seeing the track, really pumped on that, and getting to do some laps. It's been a few days now, and I'd like to knock a little bit of the rust off before we hit the real racetrack.
We're probably gonna go for a little run this morning. Got our heart rate up a little bit just playing this little soccer, and we're gonna head to the track, get everything ready to go for today. We got our first testing on the machines, so yeah, let's shake down the machines a little bit, and might have to try some different tires, but we'll see. Yeah, good first night at the house. Viva USA Soccer right here.
Do a little testing here, waiting for my dad and Mark to get back with some lunch. Eating schedule is a little different here. So we haven't ate all day, snacking. So it's 1 p.m. We're waiting on some lunch. So just some testing and stuff. So it's gonna be a good time.
Man, this is different, but they got it figured out. Fit 3 bikes in 1 box van, not one standing up on end. We got a system. So it's Jeffrey's bike up front, and then mine up on the top of the pallets, and Chad's will slide in right behind. So head to the test track now, and it's gonna work out quite nice. Definitely some ingenuity here.
I know you love to feel like the world's coming at your throat, so lay it all on me. Cry wolf, there's no one home. You hate yourself, blame it on the hand that you've been dealt. Lay it all on me. Cry wolf, you're all alone.
Kind of taking her easy today. Just the track was actually a really hard track to learn. It was weird. All the faces look exactly the same, and there's like 20 different faces. So we had a little tough time the first 3 or 4 laps to get her dialed, but we got her dialed now and just kind of cruising you know, just like I said, just getting everything ready for the race. It went pretty smooth so far. We're gonna try these bigger tires here, I think, and then you know, go from there.
Alright, so we just got back from the test track, finished up testing everything. Went all really well. Basically got some gearing changes in and got the big tire setup kind of dialed in if we need it. We're hoping to stay smalls all weekend just like when we race at home, but got some bigger tires to be ready to go. The sand is still a big question on us, and the day's track was a little bit more hard packed, so we didn't really get tested in the sand, but we got the gearing where we need and basically all the ins and outs figured out. Bikes felt good. I think Chad and Jeffrey are on the same boat, and we're all just ready to rock. It was pretty cool though. The track was right next to this go-kart track, so afterwards we got it set up to go rip some go-karts and get a little bit of racing in. And you know, today's riding was super easy, but the go-kart track was way more intense. But it was super fun. Looking forward to having tomorrow as an off day. Let me get a little bit more used to the time change. Today was a long day again. Basically get an off day tomorrow, and it's gonna be super easy, chill. I think the mechanics are gonna go over early, get the bikes prepped, and get the whole paddock set up. Friday is tech, so it's going to be a hectic day just like last year. Last year tech took a lot longer than it does at home. Should be pretty busy starting Friday morning all the way through Sunday, so tomorrow's off day is much looking forward to. Probably a relaxing day for just about everybody and chill out a little bit.
Marcus, what do you think of all this so far?
Pretty cool.
You excited to race this weekend in your home country?
Yeah, can't wait. First time, finally 16.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything different that you think the Team USA guys should know running over here?
Big tires.
Big time.
Yeah, that's way different here in Europe compared to United States. So it's gonna be fun to see them ride with the big tires.